In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Microsoft Teams through your web browser. This video will cover everything you need to know to get started, guiding you seamlessly through the process. Let's dive right in, ensuring you encounter no hiccups. First, you want to open up your internet browser. It doesn't matter whether you're using Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. The choice is really up to you. Once your browser is open, you'll need to navigate to the official Microsoft Teams website. To do this, simply type teams.microsoft.com into the address bar at the top of your browser window. After pressing enter, you'll be directed to the Teams homepage. This site is the gateway to all the collaborative features Microsoft Teams offers, so you're already one step closer to enhancing your teamwork and productivity. Now that you've landed on the site, the next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, which is prominently displayed on the page. It's usually in the top right corner, easy to spot. Clicking on it will take you to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your Microsoft account email. This is your key to accessing Teams, so make sure you enter the email associated with your Microsoft account, whether it's a personal account or one provided to you by your educational institution or workplace. After entering your email, proceed by following the login prompts. You may be asked to enter your password, and if your account is set up with additional security measures, you might also need to go through multi-factor authentication. This is a simple, secure step, potentially requiring you to enter a code sent to your phone or another device. Make sure to have these ready if your account has this layer of security. Once you've successfully navigated through the login process, you should find yourself inside the Teams platform. Here, you have access to a range of features designed to boost communication and collaboration. Whether you're joining virtual meetings, chatting with colleagues, or working on documents in real time, Teams has got you covered. Now, if at any point you encounter any issues signing in, perhaps you've forgotten your password or something doesn't look right, don't worry. Most problems can be resolved by following prompts to reset your password or troubleshooting through the help sections on the website. Keep in mind, staying calm and reading through each prompt will guide you back on track without much delay. And there you have it. You've successfully signed into Microsoft Teams via your browser, ready to reap the benefits of this powerful collaboration tool. Keep exploring the platform to become even more comfortable, and remember, the more you use it, the more seamless your workflow will become. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started with Microsoft Teams.